In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a website in Canva. We'll start from the point where you already have a design created in Canva, and now you're ready to turn it into a live website that you can share. The process is surprisingly simple, but there are a few small details that are worth paying attention to, so everything looks polished and professional. First, make sure you're inside your Canva design. At the top of your page, look for the main title area of your project. Click on that title and type in a clear descriptive name for your website. This title helps you stay organized inside Canva, and it also makes it easier to find your project later if you create multiple sites. Choose something that reflects what your site is about, like portfolio website or event landing page, instead of leaving a generic name. Once your title is set, the next thing you'll want to do is review all of your pages. In Canva, you can do this easily using Grid View. Look for the Grid View icon, usually near the bottom or side of the editor, and click on it. This will zoom out and show you all of your pages as thumbnails on one screen. Take a moment here to check the order of your pages, make sure none are duplicated by mistake, and confirm that you haven't left any unfinished sections. If something looks out of place, you can drag and drop pages to reorder them. After you're happy with the layout in Grid View, switch back to the main editor and look for the Preview option. Click on Preview to see how your design will look as an actual website. This is an important step because it lets you experience your site the way visitors will. Scroll through each page, check that text is readable, images are not cut off, and that everything feels consistent. If you notice any issues, exit Preview, make your edits, and then preview again until you're satisfied. When everything looks good, it's time to publish. On the upper right-hand corner of the screen, find the option that says Publish Website and click it. Canva will show you a publishing panel with your website settings. Review any options you see there, then look for the Publish Website button at the bottom of that panel and click it again to confirm. After a moment, Canva will generate a live link to your new website. You can copy that link and share it with anyone, or add it to your social profiles and emails. And that's how you publish a website in Canva.